Hey guys, it's Hank the Handyman. I'm going to show you how to set up a Predator 3500 inverter by converting it to propane. And this is a way that you don't have to be cutting into your exterior case or anything, and it will work really well. So what you do is you take off this plate by doing the couple screws here, then this snaps out. And then inside here, I've already added the Nash fuel adapter. Now the thing is that this adapter is 3/8 of an inch, and what this does, this causes your filter box to be pushed out further, and then when you try to get the other housing on here, you'd have to actually end up cutting this. So temporarily I'm not going to do that. All I've done is taken a piece of brass pipe, and this simulated just like the housing where this would go all the way through to the carburetor, and that made it real quick and simple. I don't have to cut anything out. Nash Fuel is going to be working with Predator owners that purchase the Nash Fuel regulator by designing this much thinner, and in doing so this is going to end up moving the case in, and you won't have to do this. But this is again a quick way that you can do it. It's not a big deal. It works fine. And I needed to set this up because we've got PG&E's power going out again tomorrow. And I've already drained it from the fuel, and I didn't want to have to put fuel back in it and wait for the thinner adapter. So I went ahead and already put this in. And then what I did, one of the tricks I want to show you, and I learned this from Jerry at Nash Fuel, is the hose for the propane that goes into the adapter for the Venturi, goes to the carburetor. You just put that and drop it through. If you can see up underneath here, I've actually just put it through where you have your oil drain little door, trap door. Well, that just flips open, it's rubber. And then you can push your hose right through there, alleviating any need to be cutting on the body here, which is nice too, because then you won't be voiding warranties. Then it comes out, and then I've got it hooked right up to the regulator, and this is where the regulator goes, right here. And then as you can see, the hose, I've got it, then it goes around, and I've got it plugged into the back of my trailer. So I'm going to be using the propane tanks off my trailer for the next couple days while the power is out. Once I do this on a permanent level, what I'm going to do, because I like to take my Predator both when we RV and dry dock, and then here at the house when the power goes out, on the cover here, what I'm going to end up eventually doing is I'm going to be mounting the regulator here probably right to the front of this. And I've already figured out how I can do it by putting some real simple little braces back here, and it'll be out of the way, and then that way it'll be portable and just go with the generator. But I'll share that with you later once I convert the larger adapter to a smaller one on the Venturi here. But this really works good. Let's give it a shot. It's all hooked up. Let's see. Put it on to run. I'm going to push this one time. A little gas in there. And let's see. And there you have it. And it's running at the maximum output of 123. And that'll take you probably about 35 minutes to set all this up. It's really quick if you do it this way. You don't have to cut or anything like that. And like I said, I'll get back to you with another video once I have finished it. All right, guys, take care.